can't be tamed. I hear the moment and it's calling my name. Thunder cry from the top of a mountain high. Burn it up, take me home, light it up, come on, light the way. Standing tall above it all, thunder roll, I can hear it call. I'm king of the mountain.
Ang pag-aasawa, lalo na pagpasok sa o pagtanggap ng sakramento ng kasal, tulad ni Alec at ni Kim, ay paraan para marating makamit ang kaganapan ng buhay. Ang Panginoon ay kasal kasama ng babae at lalaki sa pagtanggap o sa pagpasok sa sakramentong ito ng kasal.
Bibo, kilala mo ako, hindi ako sanay sa mga ganitong bagay, mga speeches, mga ganitong pangyayari. Ito yung na pumutok man yung vulkan or kahit pandemic pa rin ngayon, kinakaya natin. Madaming nangyari, sobrang daming nangyari. Madaming times na masaya kami, may times din na malungkot. Yung nag-lockdown kasi, sa na kami noon, talagang nag-work from home lang kami sa Alabang.
Hindi ko na nakikita yung sarili ko na hindi kasama si Bibo, si Alec. Kasi for the past 4 years we've been together, parang pinakamatagal na namin hindi pagkikita is I think nung pandemic, which is 2 months. And then, since then, lagi namin magkasama. So yun, hindi na.
I learned my lesson na the hard way, na never break a woman's heart. And thank you pa rin dahil you decided to stay. That's nagawa ko. Thank you pa rin for still loving me. And thank you for all your hard work. Hindi lang sa relationship natin, sa mga buhay-buhay, sa work mo, and sa family ko, family mo. And thank you for being there.
What I liked about him is yung pagiging soft niya with his family. And sobra siyang pasensyoso sa akin. So, every time na tinutopak na ako, parang chill lang siya. So, parang alam mo yung nagagalit na ako, tapos siya, bakit ka ba nagagalit? So, mapapaisip ako, bakit nga ba ako nagagalit? So, okay na kami nun. So, yun, ganun siya.
Kim, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Alec na iyong pakamamahalin at pagilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Alec, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Kim na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Now, I'm happy that I have you as my partner throughout these years. I honestly don't know what I did to deserve you, but I'm thankful to God that He gave you to me. God really blessed us. So I promise to love and cherish you kahit maputi na buhok natin at uugod-ugod na tayo. So, I love you so much. Today is the start of a new beginning. Ay ayatin ka, unay-unay. Sika tibiyag ko. Sika ti kayat ko mugin mo.
My Bibu, I want you to remember that from this day forward, I vow to love you even you annoys me. I vow to take good care of you and for our future kids. I vow to always put you in my priorities, even when at times I get so passionate about work. I vow to choose you over and over again when things get tough. And I vow to love you and cherish you with all my heart for the rest of our lives. I know for sure that this love is for real, and together, we will make it last a lifetime. I love you so much, babe.
Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive. Heart on fire in my chest, feel the wild rush. I can see a world awake again. Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin. Parang siya na yung other half ko. Hindi ko makakompleto pag wala siya.